What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Patriot Arms channel. Today we're shooting the Ruger LC9. This is the first chin. The first chin was the internal hammer fire one. So it has this long trigger pull and a long reset. That's the reset. So I want to say it is probably a 5-pound pull. I mean, it's a fairly smooth pull. Oh yeah, this has the magazine disconnect. It's a fairly smooth pull though, like very smooth pull, but it is heavy. It's probably 5 or 6 pounds at least. Um, so this was the first carry gun that I bought back before I really knew anything about concealed carry guns, micro carry guns. This was all the hype, so I bought one. This was used when I bought it, but it didn't have very many rounds through it. I did carry it for a couple years. During 2020, I started carrying the Ruger SR9, and because, well, these only have 7-round magazines, and I wasn't comfortable being out and about with 14 rounds all combined with 2 magazines and seeing all the crap that was going down. But so I started carrying the Ruger SR9E, and that was a 15 or 16 round magazine, and I had 2 magazines for that. But I no longer carry that either. I went to the I was carrying the Taurus G2C for a while, and then I got the SIG 365X, and I really like that one, so that's been my carry gun ever since for, I don't know, last 2.5 years or 2 years, whatever, however long I've had it. But let's put a little more couple more routes through this. Like I said, it's a 7+1, so let's reload this one and shoot a little bit more. Do another magazine. Got a headshot with that one. I missed. Another headshot, 8-inch plate. Got the 8-inch plate. Let's see if I can hit that 4-inch spinner. Missed. Nicked it. It wiggled a little bit. But I also have the Ruger EC9S, which is the striker fire. This would be either the 2nd or the 3rd gen. This was my wife's, or is my wife's. So we're gonna shoot this. I'll show you how. Oh yeah, this has a magazine disconnect too. Show you how much better the trigger is on this. It's much lighter. Has a shorter reset. Show you. So this one right there starts to take up. Then the release. Right there it clicks, but that's not the release or reset. That's the reset. And then I'll show you this one. It resets about where the where This one resets about where this one clicks on the first click. So it has a shorter reset, but it's still kind of a long reset. Let's put some rounds through this one. Ooh, yeah. Much easier trigger pull on this one. This is, the sights are all blacked out. Blacked out serrated rear and the blacked out front sight there. This one has the white dot on the front and the white dot on the rear. Let's put another magazine through here. This one shoots much better. See if I can get that spinner. Come on. There we go. Getting sloppy, missing my big target. But definitely, if you're looking, I mean, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for carry unless you're comfortable with it. I mean, obviously shoot it, try it out. If you like it, it's definitely an option. I mean, I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. Haven't had any jams. Now this, I bought this light. Not sure what's wrong with it. I don't know if the battery's dead or what, but it's a light laser combo, and neither one of them are working. It just clips onto the Mac well here. But yeah, like I said, none of them are working. I can't figure out. I'm guessing the batteries are probably dead, because it did work at first. But anyway, let me know which one you would choose. I'd definitely choose this one because it's got a much better trigger. This one's got a heavier, longer trigger pull. Let me know in the comments. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let me know which one you would like, or which one you carry, or if you ever did carry this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.